Okay, Bismillah. Let's start to make mechanism with animate constraint. This is an sample for switch testing machine. The mechanism is the electrical motor will be rotate the small rod, and then the long rod will be moved at the slider to right and to left. The objection of the slider moving is about 15 millimeter to right and then 15 millimeter to left. The total is 30 millimeter. Oops. Yeah, this is the front view for the mechanism. Okay, I have made some simplicity for this mechanism with a sketch mechanism. This is the rectangle for 30 millimeter, where the rod must be moved to right and to left in this area. This is the line for this rod simplicity, and then this is for long rod, and this is for small rod. Okay, let's hide this model, and we can simplify the design with this sketch geometry. Okay, I will open this sketch. You see, this is the dimension which apply to the design. The area for rod mechanism is 30 millimeter, and then the length from the center of electrical motor to the center of the switch is 55 millimeter, and then the touching rod or the tested rod is 40 millimeter. Okay, let's see first. This is the switch. The switch is simplified with this rectangle. Okay, and then what we need to looking for is how long this rod and how long this rod to make moving for 30 millimeter. Let's try first with animate constraint with this condition. Okay, we have 56 degree. Okay, I try to rotate. You see, this rod not reach the 30 millimeter area. This is less than several millimeter for the longest step, and then at the smallest step or stroke is several millimeter. Or we can look this. Oops. From here to here is 4.7 millimeter. Okay, you see, this is not reach the design needed or the design objective. Okay, so to solve this problem is we can take pre-length for little rod and the longest rod, for example is 10 millimeter. Perhaps we can write this existing dimension at the other file, perhaps at Excel. Okay, we made this calculation of two rod mechanism. We call this the smallest stroke, middle stroke, and the longest stroke. Okay. I call this is for what is that? Oops, what the matter? Rod 1, rod 2. I take the rod 1 is 10 at the condition. Okay, I made this coincidence between rod the longest rod or rod 2 with the rod 1 or the small rod. We can see, and then I try to looking for the longest rod first with made this to 0 position. It means to the area of 30 millimeter. It look 66.569 66.569, and then the longest stroke with 10 millimeter. I change the position to this position with this condition. And this is 30 millimeter. Oops. Move first to left and then give line again. 30 millimeter. Good. And it look 70.623. 623. From this dimension, we can make average from the smallest stroke and the longest stroke. It's equal to average from this one and this one. I've got 68.596. I give mark green. And then this number 68.596 applied to this $68.569, right? To 596. Okay, and then I change this to reference to get the long of rod 1 and this made to 30 millimeter again to the area. Okay, this is we got the road 1 length is 12.027 12.027. Yeah, this is the final length for the road 1 and the road 2. Okay, let's prove this dimension to animate with animate constraint. I erase this constraint and then I made, oh no, I have this angle. I animate the constraint with this angle from 0 to 360. Okay, let's see. Bismillah. Okay, here too, yeah, alhamdulillah, we get 30. And then this is 0. Okay, I think this is the solution for two mechanism road. This is very helpful with animate constraint CATIA V5 release 19 with I use. Actually, this solution is came from several trial and error perhaps. And then this is the final answer. I hope who watch this video can work with animate constraint to make any mechanism. Okay, see you in next time.